What's up guys, you're watching the Sit Show, and if you're new to my channel then don't forget to subscribe and like. Today our topic is PlayStation 5 error and how to fix this error, and here is the error NP-102945-1. Please install the latest system software update. And I'm just going to share my screen on the left side. Here we are at the left side of the screen, and here we go. You can get the notifications, also update files, go to settings and the system software update. You check these, automatically update and automatically download the files. And here you check the features, new update about the features. And in the first, you can update the system software by internet by using a USB or other SSDs. Here we are at the update. Look at that. And secondly, you must go check your storage. Sometimes you don't have enough storage. You must have a storage first and then you go to update. And sometimes you don't have a storage, that's why you're trying to update, but you get the error. And here we go. And sometimes your application is not going to support it, that's why it's error becomes, so you are using the older version of the system software, that's why. And simply that's how you can fix this error. And if you want to ask me a question, then leave a comment in the comment box, and see you soon for the next one, for the next topic, and don't forget to subscribe.